Did you know deer can jump over 10 feet high and sprint up to 48 kilometers per hour? These gentle creatures are not just forest dwellers. They have incredible hearing, a nearly 310-degree field of vision, and even grow new antlers every year. Get ready to explore some mind-blowing facts about the fascinating life of deer.
Hello everyone. Today in this video we shall explore about life of deers. Watch the video till end to find interesting facts about deers. Deer, scientifically classified under the family Cervidae, are graceful and agile animals found across various regions of the world. They have a long history, dating back millions of years, with fossil evidence suggesting that their ancestors roamed the earth during the Miocene epoch. Over time, they have evolved into different species, adapting to various environments, from dense forests to open grasslands. Deer are herbivorous mammals known for their slender bodies, long legs, and distinct antlers, which are typically found in males. These antlers are shed and regrown annually, making them unique among mammals. Their sharp senses, speed, and adaptability have allowed them to survive in the wild, despite being preyed upon by numerous predators. The life of a deer begins at birth, where fawns are born after a gestation period of about 6 to 8 months, depending on the species. Newborn fawns are incredibly vulnerable, relying on their mothers for warmth, protection, and nourishment. They have a spotted coat that helps them blend into their surroundings, providing camouflage against predators. During the first few weeks of life, fawns remain hidden in tall grass or dense foliage while their mother forages nearby. They develop strength quickly and can stand and walk within hours of birth. By the time they are a few months old, they start eating vegetation while still nursing. At around 6 months to a year, young deer become more independent, though they often stay with their mothers until they reach full maturity. Deer are found in almost every continent except Antarctica and Australia, thriving in diverse habitats such as forests, grasslands, wetlands, and even mountainous regions. Different species of deer have adapted to various climates. For example, reindeer, also known as caribou, live in the cold Arctic tundra, while white-tailed deer are commonly found in North and South America. They are highly social animals that usually live in groups, known as herds, which provide protection against predators. The composition of these herds varies, with females and their young often forming separate groups from males, who may gather in bachelor herds outside of the mating season. Despite their generally peaceful nature, deer can become aggressive if threatened, particularly during the mating season, known as the rut. Males engage in fierce battles using their antlers to establish dominance and win mating rights. These fights can be intense, with competitors locking antlers and pushing against each other until one submits. During this time, males can also become territorial, chasing away rivals and even showing aggression toward humans if they feel provoked. However, deer typically rely on their speed and agility to escape danger rather than confront threats directly. They have powerful legs that allow them to leap great distances and run at high speeds, making them difficult to catch. One of the most fascinating aspects of deer is their keen senses. Their large, sensitive ears can rotate to detect sounds from multiple directions, helping them stay alert to approaching danger. Their eyesight is adapted to low light conditions, allowing them to see well during dawn and dusk when they are most active. Their sense of smell is highly developed, enabling them to detect predators from afar. These heightened senses, combined with their natural camouflage and swift reflexes, make them elusive and difficult to hunt. Deer have a diverse diet, consisting mainly of leaves, grass, fruits, twigs, and bark. They are ruminants, meaning they have a specialized stomach with multiple chambers that allow them to digest tough plant material efficiently. They spend a significant portion of their day foraging and chewing cud, a process that helps break down fibrous food. Their feeding habits vary by season, with some species migrating to different areas in search of food during harsh winters. As deer grow older, they continue to face threats from predators, habitat loss, and hunting. In the wild, they are commonly preyed upon by wolves, big cats, bears, and even large birds of prey. Humans also pose a significant threat, as deer are hunted for their meat, hides, and antlers. Despite these dangers, some deer species have adapted to living near human settlements, often seen grazing in fields, parks, and even suburban areas. The lifespan of a deer varies by species and environment. In the wild, most deer live between 10 to 15 years, although some can survive longer if they avoid predators and disease. In captivity, where they are protected and provided with a consistent food supply, deer can live over 20 years. As they age, older deer become slower and more vulnerable, eventually succumbing to natural causes or predation. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like and subscribe the channel.